Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn step by step on how to create ad copy for Google ad campaigns using the third AI tool, which is Writesonic. And we're still going to use the same product. We're still going to use this travel pillow product as an example for our copywriting tutorial. Alright, so let's go back to this website. As you guys can read, Google Ads generator create conversion worthy and high quality Google Ads with a click. So if you scroll down here, just going to show you the process, which is very straightforward. So the first thing is to sign up, create your account here for completely free. And the second one is to enter the details about your product. Just let Writesonic know about your products that you're selling. And then the third step, which is the final step, is to click generate. And then in less than 5 seconds, you're going to get the ad copy. Very cool, right? So yeah, if you click on features, as you guys can see, we have several different features, but we're going to be focusing on Google Ads for this video, right? So yeah, let's create your account. Just click on get started. You can sign up using your Gmail account. You can sign up using your Apple ID, or maybe you can also create your account manually by entering your name and also your email address manually. So I'm gonna click on sign in using a Gmail account. So I'm gonna click confirm. Okay, so as you guys can see, now I'm being redirected to this dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like, guys. If you click on history, there will be nothing here because you haven't created any project yet. That's the reason why you don't see anything here, because this is a brand new account, right? So I want you to click on library, right? And then I want you to click on ads and marketing tools. As you guys can see, we have several different options: Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, titles or headings, Google ad descriptions, app and SMS notifications, LinkedIn ad descriptions, LinkedIn ads, headlines. So yeah, we're going to utilize these two features, right? Google ads headings and Google ads descriptions. So let's click on Google ads heading. Alright, so as you guys can see, now we need to enter the name of our company since we don't have the company. So I'm just going to enter like a very random name. So I'm just going to type in comfy pillow like this. Okay, so now product descriptions. So we're going to go to our Amazon page, and then we're going to copy this special features, and then we're going to paste it here. Travel pillow with the following features. Okay, so this is our product descriptions, and then you can also add keywords here. So I'm just going to add like relevant keywords. So it's like travel pillow and also neck pillow. For the language, I'm gonna stick with English, right? Because most of my potential customers speak English. And for the quality, you can choose like what quality that you want. Unfortunately, if you are on the free account, you can only use GPT 3.5. But if you have the premium account, then you can also utilize GPT 4, right? So yeah, we're just going to stick with GPT 3.5 models. And just click generate, right? So now Writesonic is going to generate as the Google ad copy. Okay, very cool. As you guys can see, we have several different options here. Get your ZZZ on the go with the comfy travel pillow. Okay, sounds interesting. Travel in comfort with the comfy pillow, lightweight and adjustable. Experience restful journeys with comfy neck pillows, portable and compressible. Okay, I like it. I like the third options, I guess. You also have this one, travel in comfort with our comfy pillow, lightweight and adjustable. Get a good night's sleep on the go with our comfy travel pillow. Yeah, very high quality ad copies, guys. And just to remind you, all of these options are for Google ad headings, all right? So So now we're going to do the same for the descriptions. So let's go back to the library, and then we're going to click on Google Ad Descriptions, and then we're going to do the same thing here, right? So I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it here, because we're going to be entering the same exact informations, right? Just copy and paste all of these things here. For the keyword, we're still going to use the same keywords, travel pillow and neck pillow. Those are two relevant keywords for our product. For the language, we're going to stick with English. And for the quality type, we're going to stick with 3.5 GPT model, and then just click generate. And then we're going to see Bright Sonic will generate us the Google Ad descriptions. Okay, as you guys can see, we got three options here. Let's read the first options. Introducing the comfy pillow, a lightweight, adjustable, compressible, portable travel pillow with a removable cover. Perfect for long trips. The neck pillow provides the utmost comfort and support. With its adjustable design, it can be easily compressed for added convenience when packing. The removable cover is made from a soft and breathable fabric, ensuring a comfortable experience. Get the perfect pillow for your travels with the comfy pillow today. Okay, so very high quality ad copies, guys. I like it so much. Okay, guys, so that's how you utilize Writesonics to generate you ad copies for Google Ads, alright? So yeah, I think we're done with this. And the next video, we're going to learn how to generate ad copies for Google Ads using WriteCream, which is the last tool for Google Ads, alright? So I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.